Alright, so here's the garage update for November of 2020. It's been a while. So, I don't remember where I even left off. So, exhaust is about done. Got the lift down right now, but pretty much see, got our cardboard drive shaft. I put in some hangers for the exhaust there. It's pretty stout. Started running the emergency brake cables. I think I might have to rerun those. I started running brake lines front and rear. The latest project's been the pedals and the seat. So I made 2 boxes out of 1x2 channel. And so the seat will basically sit on one set of the boxes, and then the other set of the boxes will be mounted to the floor. There'll be a hinge on the back and quick pins on the front, and so the seat will flip back and you'll be able to get all the electronics underneath. So as of right now, I think I'm going to put the fuse panel over here in the corner just so it's quick and easy access. But the ignition and the Holly will go under the floor, or underneath the seat, and a couple other things I have. Probably a radio and stuff. I got the tension set on the belt pretty good, so that seemed to work. Coil mounted. I got to started setting up the steering, and the problem with that is trying to get the steering to work around the pedals is going to be a little bit of an issue, but I think I can work around it. So I got a steering wheel, had the column in, pulled it back out. It's probably going to be in and out like 5 more times, so yeah. So I've had a couple hours here and there to work on it. The seats, originally I had them, I trimmed up everything and then had the sliders mounted to the seats themselves, but after looking through it, and I need to gain 12 inches of height total for the seat cushions so it sits somewhat high enough. So I added a 1-inch box tube under the sliders, and that gives me the room to connect the rod on the split bench for the driver's side. So I got all that cut up. I got to go buy some new bolts for that. So like I said, these seats are out of a police package Explorer. There's the original. This is the passenger side seat frame, or seat mount, should I say. They had these little things where they flipped forward, the seat flipped forwards. I thought at first I could get that to work, but after I looked into it more and more and more, it was easier just to build my own frame. So these frames are all welded up and about done. I just have to clean the welds up and then make the feet for the mounting over here. I put in some gauges. So these are Speed Hut gauges. So it's just a tack and a speedometer. Everything else will be working off the Holly dash up here in between the visors. I can't really see anything, but I redid the wipers and put in a new electronic wipers, switched them over from vacuum to electronic, and I think that's about it for now. I still have the issue with the tie rod end and the sway bar, but I think I might have figured something out with that. I bought the other mounts, but looking at this, I think I might be able to do like a Steeda tie rod end or something, like a bump steer kit, in order to drop the tie rod down a little. And I think that also it'll put a heim joint in, and it'll close up the amount of space that the joint takes. So I think that'll really help. So that's it for now.